Hey everybody, it's Jackie and I am back with another video. So before I get into the video, I just want to say a quick shout out and thank you to all my new subscribers. I think I'm up to like 150, maybe 155 subscribers, but that's really cool that people are interested in watching this journey. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the videos and commenting. I've had some good interactions with people so far. And so, yeah, I'm just appreciative that you guys want to actually see the videos and you're interested in interacting with me and kind of watching me like grow some hair. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for rocking with me. It really means a lot and I appreciate it. So all right, let's get into this video. So I am going to be talking about my wash routine. So this is going to be the first of a two-part series on what I'm going to be doing to wash my hair tomorrow. So as you can see, I am fuzzing out up here and in need of a wash and a fresh retwist. So I'm going to be using a different recipe here. It is an African black soap shampoo recipe. And I got this idea from Natural85. So I'm going to link her video down below so you can see the full video from start to finish with instructions, with just really in-depth explanations about all the products that she uses to put together this shampoo. I have watched the video a couple times and I have kind of come up with my own version of it. And so I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to create my shampoo and talk a little bit more about what I'm going to do for my wash routine tomorrow. So stay tuned if you are interested so we can dig into all of these different ingredients to make this recipe. So the first thing that we're going to start with is some warm distilled water. This is about 6 ounces of water and I'm going to be using water that has been previously boiled and cooled down to about 120 degrees or so. I'm also going to be using this African black soap. This is 16 ounces. I ordered this off of Amazon. I don't remember how much it costs. So if you're interested, you can ask me in the comments and I will look it up. But I'm only going to be using an ounce of this. So I'll weigh that out on my scale and use this African black soap. And I'll be chopping that up into really small pieces so that it can dissolve into that water really well. Then I'll be using jojoba oil. This is the Now Solutions brand of jojoba oil, and I'll be using about a tablespoon of this. Then I'll be using about 5 to 10 drops of these different essential oils. So I have tea tree oil here, lavender here, and rosemary. And I'll be using all 3 of those because they do have some great properties that will stimulate my scalp, will bring some nutrients and minerals and vitamins back into my hair, and will just overall like round out the shampoo. So that's pretty much it. It's African black soap, distilled warm water, and then those oils. And I'll be mixing all of that together into a mason jar and shaking that up a couple different times over the course of about 2 hours. And then that should give me like a smooth liquid that then I'm going to place into this color applicator bottle. And you can use whatever you want. Like if you have an old shampoo bottle that you want to use, that's fine. I just purchased this off of Amazon because I was making an order. And so I will pour that solution into this bottle here. And then I will be using this to apply to my hair to cleanse my scalp. And then I can also apply it down the length of my locks as well so that I can work it in and be able to wash my hair. I anticipate I'm going to do about 3 lathers and then I'm going to check and see how clean my hair feels as well as my scalp, and then probably even get out of the shower and kind of inspect to see what my scalp looks like so that I know that I have washed my hair really well. And I'll kind of go off of feel too because I am pretty particular when it comes to like the feel of my hair. I kind of know what I'm looking for and you know what things I'm trying to avoid. And so I'll be going off of that as well. But I think 3 lathers should do it. And then I'll just assess and go from there. So that's the recipe for the African black soap shampoo. Like I said, again, the original video to the recipe that inspired my version is from Natural85. And so take a look at that down below. Also tomorrow I'm planning to do an apple cider vinegar soak. And so what I'll be doing is filling my sink with apple cider vinegar and water, and then I'll be soaking my hair for about 15 minutes prior to washing with this. And I'm really doing all of this in response to my last video where I had a ton of buildup issues with my Dr. Bronners mild baby Castile soap that I was using in my hair. And I'm gonna do a whole separate video on like using Dr. Bronner soap, but I will not continue to use Dr. Bronner soap. I'm going to work out this recipe, see if I like it, and then I have a couple of other options. I have some Dr. Lock shampoo that I have not used yet, and so I will kind of see where I'm at as far as like if this shampoo is going to be a good option. But I'll share all that with you tomorrow in the part 2 when I talk about like what my hair has actually, how it's responded to all of these new things. But I just wanted to show you guys the recipe, show you what I was up to, and yeah, we'll see some results tomorrow and see if this is a good recipe for my locks. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have used this recipe before or some version or kind of variation of it, let me know in the comments and tell me about your experience with it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.